This was when we got to the site. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out where to put the AC, where to put my back plate. So yeah, I've decided where to put the AC. So I'm just removing the curtains. So yeah, I've decided where I'll put my back plate. The function of this back plate is to hang the AC on the wall inside. That's the function. So this is where I want to put it. Then I'll also nail it. So I'm just showing you where I want to put it. So this is me nailing it to the wall so that I'll be able to hang the AC. This is me here trying to create a small hole for the AC pipe to pass through. This is where the AC pipe will pass through in order to connect with the condenser outside. In the AC there is an evaporator, so that's where the cold air will be coming from. So this is after I connect it here, that's when the cold air from the condenser will be able to come in. This is me just trying to make the hole open outside in order to connect it together. The hole is now visible now for the AC pipes to pass through. That's just it. So here I'm putting threading tape on the mouth so that it will prevent gas leak. So that in case of a gas leak, it will not come out. Now it is time to hang it. This is how to hang it. You first put the cord outside, the pipe outside, then you hang the AC inside. So this is why I'm doing this video, is just for you to have an idea of how to install an AC. So this is how it goes. So this is the pipe when it is outside now. So the connection begins now. So this is the connecting pipe that will be outside, that will connect it to the condenser outside, that will bring the cold air inside. Why this one down there we make it hot. One must be hot while the other one will be cold. That's just the formula of AC. That's how AC works. So now I want to connect it together. This threading tape I am putting is just to prevent gas leakage. That's just it. In my next video, I'm going to explain everything in total, how to connect it yourself, how to do everything yourself. But now just have an overview of how to install an AC, how the process works when someone wants to install an AC for you. So that's just why I'm doing this video. In my next video, I will explain in total how to connect it, what everything stands for. You will really understand it. So yes, we are just connecting it together. Everything, the wires, the everything. I will explain everything in total in my next video. Thank you.